Welcome to another journey of wonder and imagination. Today, we're embarking on a voyage far beyond our earthly confines to explore the tantalizing possibilities of a superworld, a planet that might exist somewhere out in the cosmos, perhaps even better suited to life than our own beloved Earth. But first, let's understand what a superworld is. In the language of science, super-Earths are planets that are more massive than Earth, but lighter than ice giants like Uranus and Neptune. They can be up to 10 times the mass of our planet, and recent discoveries suggest that these worlds are incredibly common in our galaxy. Some may be rocky, with thick atmospheres, vast oceans, or even conditions that could make Earth seem, well, a little less extraordinary. Could one of these superworlds be the cradle for life more advanced or more enduring than our own? Imagine for a moment a superworld orbiting a distant star. Let's call it Veridia. This planet, roughly twice the size of Earth, is lush with life. Its gravity is stronger, its atmosphere denser, and its ecosystems more varied than anything we could dream of here. The question is, could we, as humans, ever reach such a place? And if so, how would we survive the journey and adapt to life there? The journey to Veridia, a world light years away, is the first great challenge. Current technology allows us to send robotic explorers to the farthest reaches of our solar system. But the stars? They remain a distant dream. However, some scientists are envisioning new propulsion systems like light sails powered by lasers or even the warp drives of science fiction. These ideas might sound outlandish, but the pace of technological innovation could surprise us. If we imagine a future where we can travel at a significant fraction of the speed of light, Veridia might be within our reach. The journey would still take years, possibly generations, and that brings up another question. Could we create sustainable, self-contained habitats that would keep humans alive, happy, and healthy on such a long voyage? Let's assume for a moment that we overcome these formidable challenges. Imagine that humanity does reach Veridia. What then? How would we adapt to life on a superworld where the rules of biology and physics are different? In a stronger gravitational field, our bodies might change over time. Earthbound humans are used to a certain pull, but on Veridia, everything would feel heavier. Muscles would need to be stronger, bones denser. Perhaps even our cardiovascular systems would evolve to cope with the demands of higher gravity. Over generations, humans on Veridia might look quite different from those on Earth. Shorter, stockier, with stronger limbs and a heart built for endurance. The denser atmosphere might change the way we breathe, even how our voices sound, turning us into creatures perfectly adapted to this new environment. But the changes wouldn't just be physical. The culture, the society, the way of life on Veridia would evolve too. The abundant resources, the new challenges of a different environment, and the isolation from Earth would shape a civilization that might be as alien to us as we are to the first humans who walked the savannas of Africa. What kind of culture would emerge on Veridia? Would it be one of harmony with this superworld, a civilization that learns from the mistakes of Earth and creates a society where balance with nature is paramount? Or would the challenges of a new and harsh environment push humanity toward technological and social innovations that are as alien to us as Veridia itself? Perhaps the first settlers would establish a new utopia, a world where technology and nature coexist in perfect harmony. Or maybe they'd struggle to impose their will on this untamed world, leading to conflicts and hardships we can only imagine. And now, as we near the end of our journey, I ask you to imagine something even more personal. Close your eyes and picture yourself on Veridia. The skies are a different hue, the air feels thick and rich, and the ground beneath your feet seems to hum with life. You are no longer an Earthling, but a Veridian, a being adapted to this superworld. Would you want to live there? To leave behind the familiarity of Earth with its blue oceans, its green forests, its history? Could you embrace a new world with all its unknowns and uncertainties, but also its breathtaking possibilities? Would you trade the comfort of what we know for the adventure of what might be? As we contemplate these questions, we're reminded that the universe is vast, full of wonders and challenges beyond our imagination. Veridia, or a place like it, might exist out there, waiting for us. The choice to reach for it, to explore and possibly inhabit it, may one day be ours to make. Thank you for joining us on this journey through space and imagination. If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, which really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Comment what you want us to talk about in our next video, and stay tuned for more explorations into the mysteries of the universe.